My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bring another sneaker pickup / sneaker review. Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share. Follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. It might be next to me. I don't know if I usually do this at home, so I think it's in my sitting chair, so it should be over there, right there, I guess. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. All right, as you can see, I'm in the car. Got Banker right there in the back. Look at this. Banker. Look at you chilling, just right there. Whatever, like that. So, driving me to work. Driving me to work or whatever like that. Got an early review for y'all. When I get in, I'm gonna show y'all some heat. When I get up in there. Technically, I mean, it is an early review because the sneaker doesn't come out until Saturday. But they did a shock drop already, so YouTube is filled with these reviews already. So I mean, but it is what it is. Still gonna post it for y'all. Y'all probably gonna see this on Tuesday or Wednesday. Probably Wednesday, because the one thing about me is when I'm out and about, like I'm out and about right now, and I'm doing videos, one, I have bad service, so it'd be hard for me to upload videos to YouTube. And two, I really don't like doing videos, like uploading videos the same day I record when I'm out and about, because I feel rushed, and I feel like I gotta get it done. So I'm gonna try to upload it before tomorrow, and if it do, if it don't, it don't. Either way, y'all see it before the actual initial main release drop. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. Stay tuned. Gonna get in here and give y'all this early review. So yeah, for your boy Tune. Stay tuned. Okay, as promised, here we go. Early release, early sneaker review. Let's go. As you can see right off the bat, got an all black box. These little speckles, not elephant print, not cement print, just black speckles. I don't really know what you want to call it. Got the flight right there on the front in white with the Jumpman in yellow right there. Really like when they do give us these little special boxes. Okay, turn this around. Boom, we got Air Jordan 4 Retro. Black, white, tour yellow is the color. Suggested retail price is $210. I hate that Jordan brand keep on putting the price up and up and up and up. Size 9.5. Not my personal pair, but that's just because I'm just trying to give you our early sneaker review. I will be getting my personal pair, my personal size 8.5 when they do drop, but I wanted to give you all like an early look. So let's get into the shoe. As soon as you open the box, see that bright yellow interior right there, coming all around there. And without further ado, straight to the shoe. Boom. We got the Air Jordan 4 Thunder. Put that back right there. This probably be the thumbnail right here. Hold up. Boom, that probably be the thumbnail. Okay, like I said, we got the Air Jordan 4 Thunders. These are a play off of the Red Thunders. And if I'm not mistaken, the second release of this silhouette, well, not silhouette, of this color blocking on this silhouette. Jordan 4s are the new Jordan 1s. Like, these are popping right now. They did a shock drop on Nike. And I think they did like maybe two. I think a shock drop and something else. I could be wrong about that. But got this suede nubuck upper, all black right there. You see it. I mean, the material is decent. It's decent. Got that white Jumpman on the tongue with flight. Black laces, no extra laces. See the black nettings going around, but yellow under it. The yellow eyelids right there. Yellow midsole right there with the white grayish air bubble unit. Jumpman on the back, on the heel. Got that pull tab right there on the inside. Got Air Jordan right there, as you can see, stitched in with the yellow back of the tongue, black sock liner. See the Jumpman right there on the sole insert. Like I said, this is a 9.5. I will be getting my personal pair at 8.5. I will be guaranteed my pair. Just wanted to show you our early release. Black outer sole right there, rubber, yellow right there, the pods, and all in all, I mean, a good shoe. The price, I apologize. Mistake and press the button while recording. Anyway, these did drop in price as far as like resale value. So if you want to resell these, they're not going to buy that much. I guess because so many are going to be released, so they like, you know what, they're not really going to go for nothing. When they initially dropped, it was 300 plus. Now I see them going for a little bit over retail. So there are 210, like I said, that is an issue for me. I hate that Jordan Brand keeps on putting up the price on these, but I mean, these are definitely a must cop for me. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all think this is a cop or a drop. 1 to 10, I mean, y'all know I love bright colors. I don't really like dark colors, but the yellow is very bright. So I'm going to give these a 7.5. I'm dying to hear what Classic like about these. Y'all not going to really see what Classic like because this review is going to be out way before the actual shoe. They're not going to do a secondary video for this. So, all in all, I mean, I think it's a good shoe. I like it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this shoe. I'm going to go back to the, you know, to the spot, give y'all some information about this shoe like I always do. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, see y'all soon. Stay tuned. Yo, we back. This is actually hours later. I'm back. On the way home, coming from work. Just drove me to work, and she picked me up from work. She's such a doll.
Nice.
It's just so nice. Banger's still here. Banger. Anyway, got some food. What was the food place we went to?
Real Food Daily.
Real Food Daily, a good vegan spot. Well, I don't even know if I should say good vegan spot because I haven't ate it. I haven't even tried it yet, but hopefully it's good. I am starving. But anyway, got some information for y'all like I promised y'all I was gonna have y'all. I was gonna do it when I got home, but I was like, you know what? In the car, let's just do it right now. She's on the way actually to try to see about this new job anyway, so I was like, fuck it, let me just do it right now. So, got some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It reads, inspired by the electrifying colors of Michael Jordan's motorcycle race team in 2006, I did not know that, the return of the Air Jordan 4 Thunder has drummed up big conversation. Having been retro, oh no, it says the last time it was retro was last fall. That's not right. That's not right at all. Oh, it's saying that this retro was first shown last fall. Excuse me, sorry about that. Initial images was subject to mixed reviews as its 4-foot stitching drawed a display choice of bright yellow. Since updating the lateral to the fall in line with the pair's original mid-2000s DNA, official images of the thunderish silhouette has finally been made available. Okay, so people wasn't really feeling the first couple images that popped up, but they went back and touched it up. Now it looks like the actual the original pair that dropped in 2000. Constructed 17 years later, the second Air Jordan design from Tinker Hatfield's renders near exact specifications to its 2006 counterpart. Dressed a dominant portion of its upper in a jet black nubuck, I said suede, or I said nubuck, so it's nubuck, while rendering further pitch dark color matches along the midfoot netting, laces, and branding tabs. Everything I showed you on the side. Thunder consumes the base underlays, lace wings, and midsole underfoot, while pops of crisp white are applied to the various Jumpman signatures. Scheduled to release on May 13th in full family sizing for a retail price of $210. Jesus Christ, that price is crazy. Yeah, so that's my little information about that. All in all, yeah, I think I gave y'all my grade, 7.5. You never gave me a grade on that. What was your grade? Classic's not here, of course. This is what they look like right there.
Well, that's my favorite silhouette.
The Jordan 4, I know you said that. You made that known.
But, and I do like that. I'd probably give it like a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Why so low?
Well, again,
Oh, not low, but
I'm not a fan of those. I don't like majority black shoes.
me neither. That's why
But,
mine's 7.5.
yeah, and again, I wouldn't buy it.
But look good on the
It
male.
looks good on guys. Yep.
Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm probably looking at my jersey right now, but yeah, this is the LeBron custom jersey, Miami, Lakers, Cleveland. I am a Cleveland Cavalier fan. Let's see if I can show y'all this real quick. Got a little Cleveland tattoo right there, but I do love me some LeBron. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Like I said, the initial drop for this will be this Saturday. What it was again? May the what? May 13th. 2 days after my daughter's birthday. So, y'all let me know in the comments below if this is a cop or drop for y'all. Definitely gonna be a cop for me. So, that's it. So, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram on the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you will be notified. And as always, from me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite Sneakerhead, representing Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune squad. And, Baker! Oh, you can do it this time. Baker!
He's been riding around all day.
There you go. Yo, it's Tune, aka your favorite Sneakerhead. You know what to do. Have a nice day.